Check it out, see what you think.
Sick.
The color's
the color.
nice, yeah.
It's probably like 101.
It's gone.
Dang. How does it feel, dude?
It's looking mint, dude.
Hopefully he buys it. You think he's gonna buy it?
Getting rid of 3 builds in one video, that's insane. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the new Goon Squad garage, and today we are finally back on our 2019 Lamborghini Urus project. And as you guys seen in the previous video, we kind of did some random stuff, did some other builds, preparing them suckers for sale because we actually ran out of wrap for this build right here because of course we made a bunch of mistakes, but you know what? So far everything is pretty much going perfect except for a few little areas here and there, which we're still learning. Look at this right here on this bumper. This is actually coming undone because you're supposed to actually do like an overlay or an inlay, whatever you call it, and we just try to attempt it that way. So we're definitely gonna have to redo that, but everything else is sticking. Everything else is just perfect, dude. That's just amazing, dude, honestly.
100%. For our very first actual time wrapping something with like some high quality wrap, it's actually a really good result.
Yeah, and
dude.
we're gonna continue. We're gonna get this whole entire thing wrapped up and completed and maybe put back together completely and get ready for that very first test drive, because once this thing is put together, all we gotta do is get that key fired up, install that exhaust. This project is done with, dude.
And we got a few more other little pieces, but you know what, dude? That key is the only thing that's holding us back. It's been taking a while, but there's somebody that's trying to get it going right now.
They're working on it, so that's right around the corner. And of course, we overnighted some more wrap, so we have plenty of wrap to finish this job up. Plus, maybe wrap another build, maybe the lawnmower or that Viper.
We're gonna have to put some wrap on pause after this one.
I know, right, dude? Because this is pretty tough right here. It takes a long time, so we don't need to waste any more time. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it, wrap this hood right here, and move along the whole entire other side.
Alright guys, so check this out. So the hood is finally completely wrapped and it's looking super good. Now with the fenders and the bumper all one color and the headlights and everything together, this thing is looking slick, dude.
We actually did mess it up one time because we took the hood off. We tried to do it on a stand, dude. That's the worst thing to do. The best thing, do it on a car, dude.
Do it on a car, especially like a lightweight panel like the hood or a fender or like the bumper. But as for the doors, they're super heavy. They're easy to work with. They're a little bit smaller, so you can easily stretch this thing out. But right now, we actually got a potential buyer for the 370Z, right?
Yeah, a good buddy of ours is right outside the gate, and we got the 370Z nice and clean. We got it bagged out just about all the way down to the floor, and
it's looking mint, dude.
hopefully he buys it. You think he's gonna buy it?
I don't know.
Let's go out there.
There's other people that want to buy it too, but
No, I'm pretty sure he's the buyer. I think he really wants it. There he is. Is he gonna buy it or not?
Hopefully, man, if we can figure out this paperwork situation.
I think it'd be pretty cool for your channel, honestly.
Yeah.
But
especially since I've been eyeballing it since you guys bought it.
yeah, he's been asking us about it. As soon as we got this thing, he was like, "Let me buy it."
Yeah, and then that's when I bought mine. Had to sell it, and then now I'm looking at another one. So
A wide body one.
a wide body.
Nismo. It's a fake Nismo. We will go ahead and disclose that. Not a real Nismo. Got a Nico kit on it. It's got airbags on it. It's got some nice 3-piece wheels on it. That's probably the best selling point of this car is the 3-piece wheels.
Super thick.
We got brand new tires for it.
I see skid marks around here.
You didn't see no skid marks. I think we'll need to get the rear diff probably welded up, right?
if you want to drift it, yeah. But other than that, it's pretty decent.
I'd probably just drive it as a daily, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's an amazing daily. It'd be smooth, especially if you air it up all the way like a monster truck. I'm telling you. But of course, you probably want to do a fresh paint job on it, dude. That's the fun part, right?
I just want to sit there and buff on it. You know what I mean?
It might buff out.
Let's go check out this wing you guys got.
Oh, it's not here.
It's not here yet?
No, we bought it.
It's on the way. It's on the way. It's a sick wing. It's gonna come.
Tall ones?
Yeah, it's pretty tall, but not super tall. It's like just perfect. It's gonna
Maybe taller than the car, honestly.
Yeah. You want us to back it out for you?
I mean, it's pretty backed out.
It goes lower.
It could go lower.
Don't forget, it goes lower.
I'll be back, hopefully with some cash, maybe today or tomorrow. But
All right.
better check out this paperwork and we'll let you guys know.
Sounds good, man. Oh, snap. We didn't tell you about that. It's okay. It just needs a little bit of adjustment.
Battery might be a little shy.
This was from like 3 years ago.
Is that a goonzquad one?
Yeah, from like 3 years, look.
There you go.
Same one.
Alrighty guys, so 370Z just left the premises, and that's one of the first builds that actually we sold from here, the new goonzquad garage. And of course we sent off the Can-Am X3 to somebody in North Carolina. So that's just amazing. We are clearing up some room over here, and that 370Z actually went to a good buddy of ours. His YouTube channel is We Build Him. He's gonna do something pretty epic with that thing, and I'm super happy that we actually sold it to him. We had literally so many inquiries about, is that how you say that word, inquiries or something?
I guess so. We had messages,
Inquiries.
DMs, everything, dude.
People were willing to pay more than what we actually said we were going to sell it for, so we sold it to him for a cheap, or for, I wouldn't say cheap, for an amazing deal. And you know what, he's going to do something epic with it, so I think it's pretty cool that we could actually see that thing get built. You
And
know
it was
what I mean?
way easier for us to do that transaction. You know, everything was super simple. Just got it out the door. Didn't want to hassle with anybody driving for hours.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
exactly. You know what, he got it, and you know what's next? This right here,
Dude.
the Viper.
Sell it, man.
Should we, dude?
No, I don't think so.
Goodness, yeah, no, actually, we're gonna keep on, hold on to this thing right here, because this sucker is very rare. We already said we're getting rid of the Ferrari, so that's gonna be very next. And look at this, dude. Look how much room this takes up. Just look at
Dude,
the
I was thinking about,
Big.
dude, how do people wrap a Viper hood, man? That thing's like 20 foot long, dude. Look at that thing.
Get wrapped that wide?
I don't think so. I think wrap is like 6 foot or 5 foot. Dude, you probably have to wrap that in 3 sections, man.
I'm telling you, that would be absolutely insane. But you know what, guys? We got to keep moving with the wrap on this car right here. We are moving right along. It is looking good. And I wish you guys could actually see this in person, because I noticed that the camera actually doesn't really do it justice, to be honest.
No,
with
sir.
you.
I mean, I'm looking at the camera lens right now in like with my other eye on the actual car, dude. It looks a little darker for some reason. It just doesn't give it justice, dude.
It looks so much better in person. Maybe you guys can see this sucker ripping around town or something like
zoom
that.
by you, dude.
But anyways, guys, I say we keep on moving and knock you out a little bit more. Next day here, guys, and check this out. We just brought out the lime green machine right here. We gave it a quick wash because you know what? This is the next build that we're gonna sell. We actually got somebody coming from pretty far, and hopefully they take it, because look at this thing. It is minty fresh, and of course we're giving this stuff away for an amazing deal, because you know what? It doesn't serve us any purpose. I think that's him right there.
I think he's getting it. He got a U-Haul, dude.
I think so too, man. He's got a beautiful metallic truck right there, and he's gonna have a beautiful metallic S2000 on the back of it,
Dude,
if everything goes as planned.
Gold
dude.
flakes and all, custom paint job. Let's get this thing going, dude.
We're getting rid of 3 builds in one video. That's insane. Let's just go ahead and see if he wants to purchase this sucker for an amazing deal and
Say our goodbyes.
say our goodbyes to it.
Check it
This
out.
thing
See what
looks
you think.
sick.
The color's
The
pretty
color.
nice, yeah.
It's probably like 1 of 1.
Oh, definitely, 100%. And I have a clear bra on the
Clear
front
bra,
end.
yeah, too. I saw that.
And somebody at the parking lot how to hit this area?
The thing is, I just picked up a go-kart not too long ago, and I was like, dude, I need something street legal.
It's the same thing.
Basically a go-kart,
Yeah,
street
basically
legal.
a street legal go-kart, man. Oh yeah. I know you guys did our engine swap on it, right? So is this the AP1 or the AP2?
This is the 82. This is for
Drive it home. Dude, I want to. I probably will once it gets a little warmer, man. It's chilly.
sometimes that ABS will kick in, but not when you're doing the burnout.
I mean, it's probably on.
Yeah, it's off. It's off. It'll do a burnout.
If you can do one.
Yeah, you got it. Pulled out strong.
That's how
Not
you
like
gotta-
the not like the 370Z buyer.
Oh no, you gotta pull out strong in this one.
No hard feelings, David. I know you're gonna rip that thing around.
Thing rips. man.
Dude, that thing sounded good.
It does.
Dude, I don't know if, dang, look how good it looks over there. Awesome. What? Yeah, that's perfect. A little bit more.
Just back up to this back wheel.
Good, good, perfect. It's a done deal.
It's gone.
Dang. How does it feel, dude? Doesn't it feel good?
It feels good to give somebody a good car. You know what I mean?
Give
Like,
somebody
that's
a good deal.
a good deal, a beautiful car. Like you customize, like we customize that car. That's not our original car right there. The color and everything.
One of one color,
Dude,
dude.
he even said in person the color looks absolutely amazing, and it does, because when the sun is out, I'm glad the sun's out today. You can see the gold flakes all up in it, dude.
Dude,
Beautiful
another
color.
happy buyer, man. We're just making people happy, dude, and that's what it's about, man.
Spreading
Just
the love.
spreading the love, man. I mean, if we're not using it, let somebody else use it,
Yeah,
man.
for real. What's next?
What's next? The
You
Mustang.
said the Trackhawk. I mean, Trackhawk is a beast, but
We need to get rid of that thing, dude.
we might as well, dude.
Let's not get too
Don't say
attached.
nothing, because somebody might just drive by real quick and try to grab that
I'm
thing.
telling you, he was actually the same guy that bought the S2000. He was asking about the Ferrari. He's asking about the Mustang.
He was gonna buy the 370Z, but ended up buying the S2000, dude. That's crazy,
Dude,
man.
that's so crazy. But anyways, guys, this is what we got accomplished on the Urus yesterday. So we wrapped a couple more things, and over here we decided to do something custom, and we did an inlay in that high gloss black. What do you think?
because it
dude?
was peeling right there, and that high gloss black actually looks really good. Personally, I think it makes the car stand out just a little bit more. It gives it like a custom looking front bumper. You
Yep,
know what I
it
mean?
does, but
I
let
mean,
us-
yeah, let us know.
Yeah, let us
So,
know what you guys think, dude.
looks pretty good, but who knows? Bronco Raptor.
No way. Let's freaking go.
Look how wide those finger flares are.
Dude, that's how it's supposed to be, dude. Wow, dude, this thing is insane looking, kinda.
Dude, it's crazy. Look how wide those flares are. That's insane.
That's a little too wide. It looks a little funny, to be honest with you, though.
It looks a little funny, dude.
I like the taillights, but there's too much going on right there. There's like a sensor that they try to hide away. Make it look futuristic.
That's too much, man.
What's going on here?
Interior is not so bad. I mean,
Wow, look at the carbon in there. So this is the Raptor Bronco, dude.
yeah, this is the Bronco Raptor. Look, Raptor on the hood right there.
Whoa, what kind of motor does this thing have,
I think
dude?
it just has the Ford Raptor motor, same motor we got in there, just a little bit beefier V6 twin turbo,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
It is a little slow though. I mean, not really. I guess if you punch it, it's there, but it does have a little bit of lag.
I mean,
But-
you know, it's just a V6.
Right.
But in a Bronco, in a two-door
Sick.
Bronco that we got with the V6 twin turbo, I think it would be a little bit more funner to like rip around. But
Dude.
not gonna lie, the fenders are pretty sick. The louvered fenders
Ooh.
right here, that's pretty sick.
That is pretty
right
sick. And
there.
look at the bumper right here. It's got like some LEDs in there. What's going on the suspension? It's got Fox shocks.
It probably has a Ford Raptor suspension. It's probably sitting on a Ford Raptor frame, you know, chassis or something like
dude, this thing is pretty sick. Not gonna lie, but I wonder what its value is, if it's even worth it. You know what I mean?
that. Who knows?
Who knows? Probably like, does it have anything on the car?
No, I think it's probably
Somebody.
that works here.
All right, let's go get. So we actually ran here to grab some parts right quick.
Yep.
We need to order these as soon as possible. You know that we got that money now.
Yeah, might as well go ahead and pay for everything. Just order everything at once.
Pulling a Chevy motor out at the Ford dealership. What kind of sorcery is this?
this out. So we just finished up wrapping this entire quarter panel side and got everything nicely cut. And we even wrapped the roof in that black wrap, which that just turned out absolutely amazing. It was a little bit intricate than we thought. It's not just flat. We had to get it all these cracks and crevices and stuff like that. And then we had to make a nice fine line cut. We did that fine line tape on the edges. That looks like it's been painted, dude.
Dude, it does. It looks so good right there. And also, the sunroof actually looks like it just blends in perfectly. Almost looks like it's not even there, dude.
All high gloss. I'm glad we went with high gloss instead of like matte black because it just matches the whole entire top. Looks absolutely amazing. And we even opened up the brand new rear diffuser because we're trying to see what this sucker's all about. Look how much more aggressive this diffuser is. It's going to be super epic. It's going to get rid of that ugly like grayish color, silver, whatever it is. And it's actually going to wrap around the exhaust instead of just straight open. And this is a custom one just for our Urus because we do have the hitch on the back of this thing. Not all of them do, so they had to custom make this one just for that hitch because, you know, we got to tow some stuff with this thing.
Exactly, dude. I cannot wait to do the very first tow.
100%. We're gonna see. I mean, apparently it can tow up to like a couple thousand pounds, so that thing is pretty durable. I mean, we're gonna test it out as soon as the key that it's gonna possibly come in the next video.
Exactly, dude.
Fingers crossed.
Dude, we have been waiting on that sucker for the longest time, but it is officially about to arrive, and then we can fire that sucker up, throw in the exhaust, do that very first test drive.
Throw in the interior and go ripping around in this thing,
dude. We can technically go ahead and already throw in the interior,
Yeah.
but man, once that key is in, dude, it's game
100%.
over, dude.
We've been waiting on that thing. We've almost finished a car without starting it for the very first time ever. I don't think we ever done this.
No, we haven't.
Almost finished a car without starting it or driving it or anything like that.
We put a lot of work into this car without even knowing if it's a good motor, to be honest with you guys.
Honestly, dude.
What if it's been flooded or something?
You never know, dude.
You don't.
That's
but
probably
anyway,
why the key's gone.
Exactly. What?
Why is the key broken?
Why is the key broken,
Maybe it's
dude?
been underwater. But
Dude.
let's not talk about that right now.
Let's talk about what else we got to get rid of. So there's two more builds that we're like officially putting up for sale.
Yeah.
And first one is
the Trackhawk. The Trackhawk, that's up for grabs right now. DM us, whatever. The price, I'm really not sure. I guess shoot us some offers on that Trackhawk. Super sick car right there. And also the Supra definitely is coming up next. I mean, all we're waiting on is the bumper. It's getting painted right now as we speak, and a new lip is going to go on there. That's pretty much it for that thing. And possibly the Mustang, dude. Is that a possibility?
It is.
Is that
honestly,
real?
dude, I'm telling you, hey, we started a little trend right here, getting rid of a few builds. We might just get rid of this. This is the OG Mustang, supercharged on it. Got the GT500 front and rear. It's a 6-speed car, dude.
Dude, it's sick. I mean, this is beautiful. This is the ultimate car. This is one of the best in our collection right there, but only serious offers only. We're not like 100% unless somebody's really excited to get themselves into the hands of that
Exactly,
thing,
but same thing with this car right here. Since we don't drive it, it's honestly kind of putting wear and tear on it. Look at the kitties crawling all over it, giving it more scratches, you know what I mean?
Random cat right there.
But anyways, guys, those are going to be the 3 that are up for sale. I guess you added one, and I guess if you get lucky enough to somehow get in contact with us, you may be able to purchase it. You know what I mean?
So that's going to be pretty much a wrap for today's video, guys. We're super happy how this Urus is coming along. It's turning out absolutely epic. But definitely stay tuned for the next one to see the sucker possibly fire up and maybe do the very first test drive and also install that exhaust. But also drop all your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.